Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, Chatgpt access that supports integrations, and a Google Cloud project with Drive API enabled. Once done, create OAuth 2. Zero credentials and download the JSON or note the client ID and secret. This authorizes interactions. Next, open the integration method, official Chatgpt plugin, Zapier, or a small custom script, and point it at the OAuth credentials. Make sure the redirect URI matches the integration. Otherwise, the auth flow will fail before you proceed. You now perform the authorization and configuration steps. First, trigger the OAuth consent screen and explicitly grant drive scopes that match your needs: read-only for retrieval, read-write for editing. Once authorized, map Chatgpt outputs to Drive actions. Choose Create, Update, or Search, and select file types like Google Docs or plain text. Next, provide target folder ID and set naming conventions. Finally, add basic error handling and logging, so you can retry uploads or handle quota errors automatically when something interrupts the flow. You finish by running end-to-end tests. Send example prompts, confirm the generated content appears in the correct Drive folder, and verify file formats and permissions. Once verified, automate triggers or schedule jobs. If you hit rate limits or partial failures, implement exponential backoff and batch requests to reduce retries. If authorization errors occur, refresh or revoke and recreate tokens, and double-check redirect URIs and granted scopes. Remember, consistent testing and small, repeatable changes make debugging far faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.